I wanted to call somebody's attention to, and maybe somebody out there can help me, is I'm in the canvas area, and I want to change a little bit of the perspective on this lens here. And this is the same thing that happens in Luminar 3. If you look over at the vertical slider, and I take that slider and I start moving it all the way up to 100, and I wait, nothing happens. This is the same thing that happens in Luminar 3 when I use it. I get absolutely no response from the lens perspective corrections. And here I'm going to try the horizontal correction here. That's also to the right 100%, nothing. Let's bring it back down to the left side, negative 100. As you can see, nothing happens with the picture. The only thing that does happen is for a very short time, you'll notice that the colors of the photo actually change back to their original and then pop back to the edited version of what I have. Next, I'm going to try the rotation slider. And as you can see, once again, the photo doesn't rotate, but the colors desaturate and then all of a sudden pop back to life. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if Luminar 4 is really just bug-plagued just as Luminar 3 is. If anybody can tell me what I'm doing wrong, great, leave me a comment below. If not, I think the software is pretty much junk like Luminar 3 was, and it's going to be plagued with bugs, and if their customer service is anything like it's been with Luminar 3, I'll never get it fixed, and I don't think I'm going to purchase it because I am working off of the trial version. So I don't know if that's another issue. Maybe some of the features aren't unlocked that I don't know about. Could be. Once again, if somebody can tell me what I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.